Hello, today I will be creating a program that solves the Monsplode trading cards module. We see two cards with arrows at the bottom. Our goal is to see if the card on the right, called the offering card, has a greater value than any of our three current cards. Let's get all of the information of each card first. We have Percy with a G2 print value, 2 bent corners, and a rarity of common, based on the manual. Next we have Melber with a print value of B9, 2 bent corners, and a rarity of rare. Our last card is Asterin with a print value of I4, no bent corners, and a rarity of ultra rare. Our offering card is Bob with a print value of F6, 2 bent corners, and a rarity of rare. Now that we have all the cards, we must evaluate the value of each one of them. If we have a card that has a lower value than the offering card, then we trade the lowest value card. Let's start with our first card. It has a starting value of 3. The manual then tells us to adjust this value based on our indicators, specifically add 1 for each lit indicator that contains the letter G, and subtract 1 for each unlit indicator that has AG. Since none of our indicators have AG, we can skip this step. Now we have to adjust the value based on the number of batteries. Since the numeral in the print value is greater than the number of batteries we have, we add 1 to the card's value, which makes it 4 so far. Now we find the multiplier of this card. Since the card's rarity is common, its starting multiplier is 1. Now we must take off 0.25 for every bent corner, so its multiplier is 0.5. Now we must multiply the multiplier by its current value to get the card's final value, which is 2. Now we must do the same thing with other cards. I hope you don't mind if I skip a few steps. Starting value of card 2 is 4. Updated value becomes 5. Starting multiplier is 1.5. Updated multiplier is 1. Final value is 5. Starting value for card 3 is 5. Updated value is 5. Starting multiplier is 1.75. Updated multiplier is 1.75. Final value is 8.75. Finally, the offering card. It has a print value of F6. The manual tells us if the numeral is equal to the alphabetical position of the letter, then the card is fake and has a value of 0. Since the value of all our cards has a higher value than the offering card, we press keep. Now the offering card is Magmi with a print value of D2, no bent corners, and a rarity of common. Starting value is 3. Updated value is 3. Starting multiplier is 1. Updated multiplier is 1. Final value is 3. Since our first card has a lower value than the offering card, we trade it. Now the offering card becomes our first card. The last offering card is Monsplode with a print value of A9, 1 bent corner, and a rarity of common. Starting value is 4. Updated value is 5. Starting multiplier is 1. Updated multiplier is 0.75. Final value is 3.75. Our first card has the lowest value, so we trade that one. First card is Magmi with a print value of A8, has no bent corners, has rarity of uncommon, and is foil. I'm going to call it shiny. When a card is shiny, you add 0.5 to the multiplier. It has a value of 7. Second card is Melber with a print value of B7, 1 bent corner, and a rarity of rare. Its value is 6.25. Third card is Boar with a print value of A8, 0 bent corners, and a rarity of uncommon. It has a value of 3.75. The offering card is Paus with print value of I2, 1 bent card and a rarity of ultra rare. It has a value of 4.5. We trade card 3. The new offering card is another Paus with a print value of D8, 1 bent card and a rarity of uncommon. Its value is 3. We press keep. The final card is Lonaluf with a print value C2, 2 bent corners and rarity of uncommon. Its value is 3. We press keep. First card is Boar with a print value of D9, 3 bent corners, and a rarity of uncommon. Its value is 1. Second card is Boar with a print value of F2, no bent corners, a rarity of uncommon, and is shiny. It has a value of 7. Third card is Melber, the web bug with a print value of I2, no bent corners, and rarity of uncommon. Its value is 5. The offering card is a Lugerit with a print value of E9, no bent corners, and a rarity of rare. Its value is 6. We trade the first card. The next offering card is Melbur, the web bug with a print value of D1, 1 bent corner, a rarity of common, and is shiny. Its value is 6.25. We trade the third card. Card is Zenlid with a print value of G8, no bent corners, and a rarity of rare. Its value is 4.5. We press keep. First card is Zenlid with a print value of E3, 2 bent cards, and a rarity of rare. Its value is 3. Next is Zapper with a print value of F9. It has no bent corners, and it has a rarity of rare. Its value is 9. Last card is Buar with a print value of H6, 1 bent corner, and has a rarity of uncommon. Its value is 3. Offering card is Bob, the ancestor with a print value of H7, 3 bent corners, has a rarity of ultra rare, and is shiny. It has a value of 10.5. We have a tie for the lowest value card in our deck. It doesn't matter which one we trade. I'll trade the first one. The next one is Bob, the ancestor with a print value of G2, no bent corners, and a rarity of common. It has a value of 7. We trade card 3. Now we have Lonaluf with a print value of D9, 1 bent corner, a rarity of common, and is shiny. Its value is 3.75, so we press keep. Now we have Zapper with a print value of A3, 1 bent corner, and a rarity of common. Its value is 3.75. Aluga, the fighter with a print value of H3, no bent corners, and has a rarity of uncommon. Its value is 6.25. Lugerit with a print value of E8, 0 bent corners and rarity of uncommon. Its value is 5. Offering card is Aluga with a print value of C3, no bent corners, and a rarity of uncommon. Its value is 0. We press keep. Pause with a print value of H5, 3 bent corners, a rarity of ultra rare, and is shiny. Its value is 6. We trade card 1. Finally, Magmi with a print value I7, no bent corners, a rarity of uncommon, and is shiny. Its value is 5.25. We trade card 3. I had to make 2 versions of the GUI. They all follow the same process though, to get enough information to find the value of each card. I used a combo box to get the name of the card, a text box for the print value, another combo box for the rarity, and another text box to get the number of bent cards. I copy and paste these items 3 more times. 2 are for the other cards the player has, and the last one is for the offering card. The next GUI is more simplistic. It just has one instance of a card since I know what the user has in their hand by this point. For the solver, I started with creating a card class. It holds all the information a card would have including, name, print value, rarity, number of bent corners, and if it's shiny. I then figure out the value of the card based on the given information and store that into an int. I created 3 card objects that represent the cards the user has in their deck. I then started on the solve method that takes in the offering card as a parameter. The program then finds which one of the 4 cards has the lowest value. If it's the offering card, then the user is told to press keep. Otherwise they are told to trade the lowest value card in their hand. Let's see a demonstration. Thank you for watching the video.